Please, anyone? How much got TDB2? You have not calculated? 195 TDB1 and 162.94. 162.94 kilonewton. Is this greater than 180 or less than 180? This is the less than 180 kilonewton. It means what? The whatever section we have provided, that section is not capable to carry the 180 kilonewton load. Whatever section, ISA, which section we have used? I think 100 by 75 by 6. That section we have provided, and the area of this section is 1040 mm square. So this section is not capable or not carrying the 180 kilonewton load. This load is coming on this member, and for this member we have provided this section, and this section is unsafe, means it cannot carry the 180 kilonewton load, means it is 162 kilonewton. So we have to choose another section having the greater area. Are you getting? So we have to write here, hence unsafe. The provided section, this provided section is unsafe. So redesign the section. Redesign the section. It means what? लक्षात येते का सगळ्यांच्या? आपण प्रॉब्लेम संपला, या ठिकाणी प्रॉब्लेम संपला होता आपला. 160 kilonewton, 160.94 kilonewton is the strength due to block shear, and this strength is less than 180. So load coming on the member is 180 kilonewton, and our carrying capacity of this section is 162. So the provided section is not safe for this carry this 180 kilonewton load. So the hence unsafe, means provided section is unsafe, not safe, unsafe. So or hence redesign the section. Redesign the section means we have to follow again from step number 3. From step number 3 we have to follow again procedure of this problem, because our provided section is not capable to carry this 180 kilonewton load. Are you getting? Okay, now follow the procedure. What is step number 3? So we have to select the section. Select the section. Now go to again steel table. So greater than this 1014, याच्यापेक्षा जास्त एरिया असलेला सेक्शन आता चूज करावं लागेल, कारण का हा सेक्शन आहे तो ब्लॉक शेअर मध्ये फेल होतोय, 180 kilonewton लोड कॅरी करत नाही. आर यू गेटिंग? Okay, now go to steel table and find the another section having gross area more than this area. 1014 पेक्षा जास्त एरिया असलेला सेक्शन बघा. ओपन दी स्टील टेबल. त्यासाठी आपण बघा 25% एरिया वाढवून सुद्धा. Someone has asked me the question, why sir we have to increase the area by 25%? After the increasing the 25% area, our section will be fail in block shear TDB2 160 kilonewton instead of 180. Are you getting? So we have increases 25%, and after increasing the 25% area. We have selected this area from steel table, and for that also our section is unsafe, not carrying the load. And now here Mahesh has given the 75 by 45 by 10. Section is 75 by 45 by 10. Whether this
Sir, 70.
70, but whether this will again carry, because only 30 mm square area is greater, we will choose more area section. नाहीतर काय होईल आपला 1052 चा घेईल, इथे किती आहे 162 180 म्हणजे 18चा फरक पडतोय आणखी, बरोबर आहे. जर आपण अजून ह्या कमी घेतला आणि जर परत अनसेफ आलं तर परत प्रॉब्लेम रिपीट तोच प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करावा लागले. सो वी विल चूज ग्रेटर दॅन दिस अगेन 105052. दुसरा घ्या, याच्यापेक्षा जास्त एरियाचा घ्या, एकदम जवळ आहे याच्या म्हणून.
75 by 50.
हा
75 by 55 by 10.
75 by
AG
55 by 10.
1152 आहे.
1150 जस्ट मिनिट, म्हणजे 1155. 1100च्या वरती थोडा जवळपास आहे का कोणता? हा 90 by 60 by 8 किती आहे?
1137.
1137. आणि हा किती आहे? 1152.
हा
मग आपण 90 by 60 by 6 आहे तो, आणि हा 75 by 55 by 10 आहे.
नाही, 90 by 60 by 8 आहे.
11. ओके, आपण मग तो घेऊया.
ओके
ओके. हा, एव्हरीवन प्लीज, ISA 90 by 60 by 8. ISA 90 by 60 by 8 having gross area. How much gross area is it?
1137.
1137 mm square. Okay. Okay. So this is the third step. So we have to repeat all the procedure from step number 3 onwards, because step number 1 and 2 same. Need not to calculate step number 1 and 2 again. So from step number 3, because in step number 3 we are selecting the section. Now whatever section we have selected in earlier problem, that section is unsafe for the block shear failure, because this section will be fail. Means which section we have choose? 100 by 75 by I think 6, having gross area 114. This section is unsafe for the block shear. So we have to select this another section having the gross area greater than this area. 1014 पेक्षा जास्त एरिया असलेला सेक्शन परत चूज करायचा. मग ती कोणत्या स्टेप मध्ये आपण केला होता? स्टेप नंबर 3 मध्ये घेतला होता तो. म्हणून स्टेप नंबर 3 पासून रिपीट प्रोसिजर आपल्याला करावी लागेल. सो दॅट एक्झाम मध्ये सुद्धा तुम्ही जर आपल्याला 1014 लागत असेल तर 100-200 mm जास्त एरियाचा सेक्शन चूज करा. वाय? तुमचा टाइम जो एक्झाम मध्ये तो वेस्ट व्हायला नको. आता बघा, we required I think 99 mm square. For that we have choose 114, means near about 25 mm we have extra taken. Even though our section, this section is fail due to block shear. So 990 50 to 70 mm square, म्हणजे ह्याच्यापेक्षा कमीत कमी 50-100 mm square जास्तच एरिया असलेला सेक्शन घ्यायचा. आर यू गेटिंग? एक्झाम मध्ये. So repeat all the calculation whatever we have did in the last problem from step number 4 onwards. Now step number 3 onwards. Now repeat all the calculations. Okay, now step number 4. So we will go fast now because we have solved this example earlier. Only we have to put the values. This value 1137 आणि area calculate करायचं. So next step number 4, design strength. design strength due to yielding of gross section. Okay, use same formula in whatever we have used in last lecture. So TDG is equal to AG into Fy divided by gamma M naught. AG, now this AG we have to use because this section we have selected. AG is now 1137 into Fy is 250 divided by gamma M 11.1. How much?
258.40.
258.40. This is greater than 180. All section will TDG, TDN, TDB1 all will be same for this area, but we have to choose, we have to think or we have to see whatever TDB2 value will come. कारण का फेल्युअर आपलं कशात झालंय TDB2 चं झालेलं आहे, त्यामुळे अगोदरचे तर तिन्ही पण सेफ येणारच आहे एरिया इन्क्रीज केला तर. ओके, नाव नेक्स्ट स्टेप नंबर 5. What is step number 5? Design strength due to rupture of critical section. Rupture of critical section. So TDN is equal to alpha into ANFU divided by gamma M1. But here we have to calculate now AN. AN we have to calculate. So AN is AG minus NDH into T. Or you can use the beta formula. Anyone. What is AG? 1137 minus N, number of rows.
1.
1 into, I think this is the step number 6, no? Step number 4 we have. Step number 3 and 4 what?
Step number 4 is design of connection.
Design of connection. Okay, there may be, I think there may be no change, or change is there. Just a minute. This is our last problem. Sorry. Design of connection. So whether here angle area is matter? No. काय मॅटर करत नाही. आपण इथं 6 mm च्या ठिकाणी 8 mm वापरणार, त्यामुळे ही स्ट्रेंथ जास्तच येणार आहे. VDPB, this strength will be greater because we are using 8, because our thickness of angle is 8, so this will be greater.